Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create named credentials and external credentials in Salesforce. These credentials allow you to securely authenticate and connect to external APIs without hard-coding sensitive information like passwords directly into your code, making your integrations both safer and easier to maintain. Let's start by creating the external credential first. Begin by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Then select Setup from the menu. This takes you to the central hub where you can configure all your Salesforce settings and integrations. Once you're in Setup, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of your screen. Type in Named Credentials and select Named Credentials from the search results. This is where Salesforce stores all your authentication configurations for external systems. Now click on the External Credentials tab at the top of the page. This section specifically handles the authentication details you'll use to connect to outside services. Click the New button to start creating your first external credential. You'll need to enter a label for your credential, something descriptive like My API Credential. This is the friendly name you'll see throughout Salesforce. Next, enter a name which typically follows the same format but with underscores instead of spaces, like My_API_credential. This is the API name that developers will reference in code. Now select your authentication protocol from the drop-down menu. For this example, we'll choose basic authentication, though you might see other options like OAuth depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Save to create the external credential. After saving, you'll notice a new section appears called Principals. This is where you define who or what will use this credential. Click New in the Principals section to add your first principal. Enter a principal name such as admin to identify this set of credentials. Then enter a sequence number which determines the order Salesforce tries multiple credentials if you have more than one. For your first principal, just enter 1. Select the identity type from the dropdown. Named principal is the most common choice and means these credentials represent a specific user or service account. Now it's time to enter the actual credentials. Type in your username, something like my user, and then your password, such as my pass. These should be the real credentials provided by the external system you're connecting to. Click Save to store these authentication details securely. Now that your external credential is set up, let's create the named credential that will actually use it. Navigate back to the Named Credentials page and click New. This time you're creating the full connection configuration. Enter a label for your named credential like My External API. Then enter the corresponding name such as My_external_API. Next comes the URL field where you'll type the base endpoint of the external service you're connecting to, formatted like https://api.example.com. Here's the crucial part. Find the external credential dropdown and select the external credential you just created, My_API_credential. This links your authentication details to this specific endpoint. If your API calls need to include dynamic values in HTTP headers, check the box that says Allow merge fields in HTTP header. Similarly, if you need dynamic values in the request body, check Allow merge fields in HTTP body. These options give you flexibility when making API calls. Finally, click Save to complete your named credential setup. You've now successfully configured both an external credential for authentication and a named credential for connecting to an external API. These work together to keep your integrations secure and your code clean. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.